In 2026, the story of the everyday car in India still revolves around one name, Maruti Suzuki, a brand that has spent decades understanding exactly what middle-class families actually need instead of what brochures try to sell. The Har Indian Ka Dream Car tag doesn't come from luxury or speed, it comes from trust, mileage, low maintenance, and the emotional value of owning a first car that never becomes a burden. The 2026 lineup represents a major evolution where affordability finally meets modern technology, proving that budget buyers no longer need to compromise on features or safety. This year the company has focused heavily on smart hybrid efficiency, better build strength, connected tech, and surprisingly premium interiors, making even entry and mid-segment buyers feel they are driving something from a higher category. Fuel economy remains the biggest deciding factor for buyers, and the new generation engines paired with strong hybrid assistance deliver astonishing mileage figures that matter in real-life traffic, not just testing labs. Stop-start city driving now consumes noticeably less fuel, and highway cruising feels smoother and quieter than previous models, reducing fatigue during long trips. The company's engineers have tuned suspension setups specifically for rough roads, speed breakers, and uneven village routes, so comfort remains intact whether the car is used in crowded streets or on highways. Steering is light at low speed for parking but stable at higher speed, which makes it ideal for new drivers and experienced commuters alike. Safety has become a major talking point in 2026 and the improvements are clearly visible. Stronger body structures, 6 airbags across more variants, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and advanced driver assistance features in select trims show a clear shift from basic transportation to responsible mobility. Families who once chose cars only for mileage now consider crash protection, and these upgrades ensure peace of mind without pushing prices out of reach. The company understands that a family car must protect children and elders, not just transport them, and that philosophy shapes the new platform design. Inside the cabin, the transformation is even more noticeable. Large infotainment screens support wireless smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and navigation that actually works in small towns. Rear seat comfort has improved with better cushioning and legroom, air conditioning cools faster in extreme summers, and storage spaces are intelligently placed for daily life usage like bottles, bags, and devices. Boot space remains practical because the brand knows grocery runs, luggage, and shopping bags are part of the daily routine. Materials feel more durable and modern while still being easy to clean, something families truly value over flashy finishes. Ownership experience continues to be the strongest reason buyers return generation after generation. Massive service network reach, inexpensive spare parts, quick repairs, and strong resale value keep long-term costs predictable. Even after years of use, the car remains easy to maintain, which is why it often becomes the trusted vehicle passed down within families. First-time buyers feel secure and repeat buyers feel loyal because reliability has been proven over time rather than promised in advertisements. Ultimately, the 2026 range proves that a dream car isn't defined by horsepower or luxury badges, but by how effortlessly it fits daily life. It starts every morning without worry, travels far on little fuel, carries the entire family comfortably, and never scares the owner with unexpected expenses. That is why, year after year, millions continue to see it not just as a vehicle but as a milestone achievement. The moment independence begins, responsibilities become easier, and mobility finally belongs to everyone.